Andrew here, Dr. Detail. Early in the morning, we are repairing some curb rash on this beautiful Jag. We took the wheel off. We're going to get it all straightened out. A lot of people think that we do the repair on the car. It's highly unlikely and extremely unprofessional, but we don't do that because we're professionals. Here's the curb rash all along here. We're going to make this nice and pretty, blend her in, beautiful. DrDetailInc.com. This is video 1. The end result is when I'm finished, I'll show you the finished product. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. Andrew here, video 2. We just finished this beautiful R-type supercharged Jaguar. We just repaired the curb rash. It was up here. All blended, beautiful, nice. Andrew, Dr. Detail. Video 2, before and after. We are done. Another happy customer. Actually, this is a repeat customer. He just loves us. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. Doing the curb rash repair.